Welcome to this complete tutorial on how to use a 16:2 LCD display with Arduino using Proteus and the Arduino IDE. In the first part, let's open Proteus and build our circuit. First, search and place an Arduino Uno in your workspace. Next, search for the LCD 16:2 module and place it on the schematic. Now connect the LCD to the Arduino like this. RS to pin 12 of Arduino. Enable to pin 13 D4, to pin 8 D5, to pin 9 D6, to pin 10 D7 to pin 11. Connect the LCD's VSS to GND, VDD to 5V, and VO to the center pin of a 10K potentiometer. Connect the other two pins of the potentiometer to 5V and GND. This controls the contrast. Finally, connect RW to GND. Great. Our Proteus circuit is ready. Now let's move to the second part. Writing the code in Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE and start a new sketch. First, include the liquid crystal library at the top. save the file and click Verify to compile your code. Once compiled, note the path of the hex file from the bottom of the IDE. You'll find it in the temporary folder. We'll use it in Proteus next. Now we're in the final part, uploading the hex file to Proteus. Go back to your Proteus design and double-click on the Arduino Uno. In the Properties window, look for the Program File field. Click the folder icon and browse to the hex file you compiled earlier in Arduino IDE. Once loaded, press OK. Now click Run Simulation. If the contrast is low, rotate the potentiometer slightly until the text becomes visible. That's it. Your simulation is running perfectly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Arduino tutorials. See you in the next video.